Today I'm going to show you how to connect Paperform with Zapier step by step so you can start automating your workflows in just a few minutes. If you use Paperform to collect leads, registrations, or customer responses, connecting it to Zapier opens the door to powerful automations like sending form submissions to spreadsheets, email tools, CRMs, and more. This is a simple setup, but it can save you a lot of manual work once it's connected. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Zapier in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside Zapier, look for the App Connections area. This is where Zapier lets you manage all of the apps that are connected to your account. So go ahead and click on App Connections to continue. Now you'll see the option to create a new connection. Click on Create Connection. This tells Zapier that you want to link a new app to your account. After that, you'll need to search for the app you want to connect, which in this case is Paperform. Type Paperform into the search bar and wait for the results to appear. When Paperform shows up in the list, click on it to select it. This is the app connection page where Zapier will ask for the details it needs in order to talk to your Paperform account. Next, click Add Connection. This starts the linking process and opens the authentication step. At this point, Zapier will ask you to enter your Paperform API key. So open your Paperform account in another tab if needed, copy your API key, and paste it into the required field. Make sure you paste it carefully because even one missing character can stop the connection from working properly. Once the key is in place, click Connect. Zapier will now verify the credentials and complete the connection. If everything is entered correctly, your Paperform account will be connected successfully. That's it. You've now linked Paperform with Zapier, and you're ready to start building automations between the two. From here, you can create zaps that trigger whenever a new form submission comes in, or use Paperform data to send notifications, update records, or move information into other apps automatically. This is where the real power of Zapier starts to shine, because you can connect Paperform with hundreds of other tools without doing the work manually. If you want to double check that the connection worked, just return to your Zapier app connections and look for Paperform in the connected apps list. If it appears there, you're all set. And if you ever need to reconnect later, you can come back to the same area and manage the connection again. So, to recap, go to Zapier, open App Connections, create a new connection, search for Paperform, select it, add the connection, paste your API key, and click Connect. In just a few steps, you've successfully connected Paperform with Zapier. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software you want to connect next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.